Hello, welcome to Bell CB. I have a RCI 2970N2 today. It's for Janene in Utah. It's a tune-up report. Getting right over here. Janene, I have it in low power right now. We've got 10 watts across the top. We're coming in about 6. Okay, now I'm going to change the scale. 1, 2, and make that 100 watts across the top. And I'll crank up the power. It comes in around 60. Our peak power, 250 watt slug, going to be up here in tops 100, 150, 200. At 250's in the corner. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2. And we'll do some side bend. Turn this down. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. That looks good. And how about it, 19? Can I get a radio check? I appreciate it. Thank you.